so. Hey guys, it's Heidi, welcome back. For today's video, I just washed my hair with Caviar infused hair care. It is still damp. I am letting it air dry, but I'm gonna be styling it as usual in a couple of minutes just to see if I see any immediate differences. This is a very expensive hair care line by Alterna. When you read something like that, Caviar, it's like reading gold or diamonds on something, you know there's going to be a high price tag attached to that. This kit was a reward for being a Sephora Beauty Insider. I got 4 products of the Alterna Caviar anti-aging hair care line. I already used in the shower the replenishing moisture shampoo, the replenishing moisture conditioner. It also came with these Caviar Repair Lengthening Hair and Scalp Elixir. And then there's this Caviar CC cream, which is an kind of all-in-one leave-in hair perfector. Both the shampoo and the conditioner are gluten-free and they have not been tested on animals. That is something I always appreciate on all cosmetics products. Unfortunately, it is not always the case. It says here it is free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and synthetic color. In general, it is presented as an intense hydration line, and it says it nourishes and restores dry hair. My hair is super dry and pretty frizzy, 2 things that tend to go hand in hand. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I did in the shower. As you guys know from my hair care secrets video, for those of you who didn't watch it, I'm going to link it down below. I often apply conditioner first on the midsection and ends, and then without rinsing the conditioner, I apply shampoo on my roots, and then I rinse everything together. There's nothing that particularly called my attention about using the shampoo, but the conditioner, that is a different story. You guys, this has the most amazing smell, fragrance, whatever you want to call it, that I've ever experienced on a hair care product. And I do realize that is definitely not enough to justify the high price tag on this product, and I really cannot pinpoint exactly what it smells like. Certainly it doesn't smell like caviar, it doesn't smell like that, but it just smells so good. I would say it's a super sensual fragrance to have on your hair and to smell while you're washing it. Let's take a look at what the Sephora site says about this line. It says it's a luxe conditioner infused with caviar to nourish and hydrate dry, dull hair. Claims to hydrate, improve shine, softness, texture, and manageability. And we're gonna see that in just 1 minute when I style it. Formulated with pure caviar extract, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, minerals, and vitamin A, C, and D, which visibly improve the signs of aging on the hair in 1 use. So they're saying I should be able to see differences like right now, today, after these first use. So before my hair completely air dries, I'm going to be applying the Caviar Repair Lengthening Hair and Scalp Elixir. Promises to give you noticeable, longer and stronger hair in just 2 weeks. Do I hear an update video coming? Longer, stronger hair in just 2 weeks is a huge claim, but we need to start somewhere to know. So there's about 1 pump, which I'm guessing is a pea size, and I'm gonna massage that. I just dropped it. It just seems like a very little amount. My hair looks like it's drier on camera, but it's actually super wet inside here. Now let's move on to the Caviar CC cream. It says here that it perfects hair in 10 different ways: moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. Sounds amazing. It kind of reminds me of the benefits of the Revlon all-in-one. Apply evenly to clean, towel dried hair and style as desired. It can also be used as a finisher on dry hair for added perfection. It is definitely a thicker texture. The smell is slightly similar to the conditioner, so I'm just gonna go ahead trying to stay away from roots and kind of trying to focus a little more on my ends. I like how that is removing my frizz. As you guys can see, it did kind of tame my hair. It looks less frizzy, but I'm gonna continue. I'm going to continue now to style my hair as I always do. problem for me, you guys, because I don't have the budget that goes with having such expensive hair care. I've been thinking for a while before turning on my camera once again, like, how can I solve this? Like, I have a tight budget, but I still want to get the benefits of caviar infused hair care. It's crazy, right? So I just took a peek at Sephora and at the Alterna hair care sites, and I've decided that what I'm gonna do, because I do like these products so much, trust me, I've been trying out tons and tons and tons of hair products lately, is that I'm probably going to get the conditioner and the Caviar CC cream. If I could, and if you guys can, go ahead and buy the whole thing, because probably it does make a difference to use the shampoo as well. I have to pick, right? If you have to pick as well, I would say the absolute two to try is the conditioner with that amazing fragrance and texture that's almost like a mask, and also the Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1. These little ones are for sale as well, and those are for sale for $12 each. I feel like these could last a little over a month, so that's not that bad if you want to try the conditioner before committing to a full-size $52 bottle, right? If I only had to pick one single item in this kit, because I just couldn't afford all the rest, which is possibly what's going to happen, I would pick just the Caviar CC cream. You guys saw it just when I had all my frizzy curly hair, and I could instantly see a difference. I can testify that out of all the 10 benefits of the CC cream, I saw the moisture, the shine, the softness, and the manageability instantly on my hair. I think it's just amazing for dry frizzy hair. Am I the only one who thinks this hair care line is amazing? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried caviar infused hair care yourselves. And I can't even believe that I'm asking you guys that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, because that helps others discover it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all again on my next one.